CHEP has been around for over 50 years and is now in over 50 countries around the world. The idea of last mile solutions, or LMS, is for a manufacturer to manufacture the product and then to put it onto, for example, a display pallet, and that display pallet will flow seamlessly through the supply chain without being repacked or restacked, straight to the store and then wheeled from the store through to the shelf or to a promotional display space. The biggest cost in a supply chain is from the store back dock onto the shelf. Out of stocks on shelf is one of the key concerns of retailers and manufacturers in Australia, because out of stocks can lead to customers switching or not purchasing.
The retailer can get the benefits in terms of the time it takes to actually reshelf the product.
There's a lot more efficiencies moving through the supply chain, so less truck movements, more effective use of space.
For the manufacturer, especially in off-location promotions, it can mean that they can ship their off-location promotions straight through the supply chain and then it be put up in store. So this can save them having a merchandiser to go in store and actually set up a display.
Is all about moving product efficiently and effectively from point of manufacture right through to the shelf, reducing the number of touch points and reducing the amount of labour as we move through the supply chain. Last mile solutions is part of pooling, and pooling is an inherently sustainable business model.
The advantage of pooling is that all the participants in the pool benefit with the lower total supply chain cost of reusing that asset.
TrueBlue has been using display pallets and beverage trays as the last mile solution since about 2001. The challenge on implementation was definitely the commissioning of the dedicated equipment that was installed.
Retailers and manufacturers will have to make some changes to their infrastructure. The initial cost is going to be offset well and truly by the long-term savings inherent by using last mile solutions.
Mainly with freight, we can cube out a trailer much more efficiently, we can fit more product per load, and we can pass on those freight savings to our customers.
We're already seeing a number of retailers and manufacturers engaging in last mile solutions.
It's been a big benefit for TrueBlue because we've been able to service our customer needs.
We see that the future of last mile solutions is very bright. When we look to what's happening overseas, trials we're seeing in Europe and not just in the UK, we're seeing an evolution as retailers and manufacturers see the benefits through greater efficiencies and reduced cost and waste.
If I was looking at last mile solutions from scratch, I would crunch my numbers, I would engage my customers, and then I'd just stack it high and watch it fly.